Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix if VLC not playing videos on your phone. Don't worry, here are 5 quick fixes that actually works. Fix 1. Swipe up from the bottom and hold to open app switcher. Swipe up on VLC to close it. Open VLC again and try the video. Fix 2. Press and hold volume up plus power button. Slide to power off. Now turn it back on and play the video again. Fix 3. Sometimes the video becomes cropped during transfer. Delete the video from VLC and re-add it using file app, airdrop or Wi-Fi transfer. Try playing again. Fix 4. Change VLC hardware decoding. First open VLC. Second go to setting, tap left icon, tap on hardware decoding. Now turn it off or toggle on depending on your device. Go back and try the video again. Fix 5. Update or reinstall VLC app. Open the app store, second search for VLC, tap on update. If it's still not working, delete the VLC and reinstall it. Then re-add your videos and test, and that's it. One of those quick fixes should get VLC working again. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel.